In today's video, we're unboxing and testing the Rotary Attachment 2 Pro from xTool. We'll engrave a few metal objects with different shapes and see how this accessory works with the S1. I'm Max, and let's jump right in. The set includes a full set of cables compatible with the M1, P2, D1, D1 Pro, F1, and the S1. Today we'll be using the S1 to test the RA2 Pro. Depending on the machine, you'll only need one cable. Inside the box, there are 2 hex screwdrivers and a set of screws. They'll help with assembly or reconfiguration of the kit. There are also 3 steel threaded holders, perfect for small objects like rings. There's also a small level included. You'll find a height adjustable support with rotating bearing mounted wheels. It helps you level longer objects, like bottles or wine lamps, and keeps them stable during engraving. And here's the heart of the RA2 Pro. A solid base with a drive motor. It comes with 2 adjustable rollers for objects with a uniform shape. In the extra box, you'll find a drive belt, an adjustable holder with threaded clamp holes, a spring-loaded stabilizer for small and round objects, like bowls or ornaments, and 2 sets of clamps for holding items of various sizes. There's also a measuring tape for diameter and circumference, a drive screw for the belt, and a locking tool for the chuck. The entire kit is made of metal and contains 23 parts. It's fairly heavy and feels solid and well built. Right off the bat, I made a mistake. I followed the manual and removed the lower rollers to install the drive belt holder. Turns out that wasn't necessary. Both mechanisms can work simultaneously, just in opposite directions. The kit feels like a premium product. Everything is thoughtfully designed, sturdy, and fits together perfectly. Only the clamps are plastic, but they have a high-quality rubberized finish. xTool really did a great job. All the components look and feel professional. Time to start testing. First up, a small thermos. I wanted to engrave a detailed graphic and see how the tool handles a slightly tapered shape. But I ran into a problem. The clamps couldn't hold the bottle in place. The thermos was light but not stable. I had to change the mounting method. It worked, but during engraving, the item loosened up. Only afterwards I remembered I could have used the spring-loaded pressure clamp. Despite the loose mount, the engraving turned out great. But I ran the test again, this time with a second bottle and a symmetrical design. The result? Fantastic. The butterflies were full of detail. Even with a 1 centimeter difference in circumference, the laser had no trouble keeping precision. Next test, a bottle with a repeating pattern. The idea was for the pattern to wrap around and align perfectly, but I miscalculated. I was off by 1 millimeter, so the pattern didn't quite connect the way I wanted. Oh well, mistakes happen. Last test, a flask shaped like a barrel. A simple symmetrical form. I measured everything precisely, reattached the rollers and prepared a new graphic. What could go wrong? Well, I selected the wrong rotary mode. The drive turned in the opposite direction and the graphic was mirrored. It only engraved on half the surface, not the intended effect. To avoid that, remember, in XCS, next to the rotary mode button, there's a preview button for the engraving area. Always check positioning before you hit start. To sum it up, the Rotary Attachment 2 Pro is an excellent tool. It's great for both home use and small business, but you need to learn how to use it properly. The whole set is solid, well made, and super satisfying to work with. If you want to avoid the same mistakes I made, make sure to subscribe and follow the channel. And I'm off to make the next video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.